Welcome back. I am back at it again. This time at a different lake. We are at Rockport Reservoir today. We are seeing if we can't get into some perch. That would be pretty cool. It's been a while since I've caught one of those. Looks like I've already gone through. Whew. Yeah, I don't know if I can get on. I'm already up to my knees in water. Oh. Let's see here. That's scary. All right, let's see if I go in or not. All right, my second pole. I'm gonna throw down the good old hyper rip of white with the little tail on it, a little shrimp piece. Whew, that's a long ways down there. I'm used to fishing like a lot more shallow. Oh, there's already a fish on me as soon as she comes. Oh, there's a fish. Which one is it? Oh yeah, buddy, this one. I got one. Yeah! I hope it's a perch. It feels like something smaller, so it's got to be a perch. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Let's do it. Let's do it. Yeah, look at that little guy. Sweet. Whew. Oh, he's perfect. He was up higher. So, look at this little guy. Sure is cute. He looks like he's gonna be just fine. We're gonna let him go. Here you go, bud. Take off. Go be free. We did it. We caught a fish. Yeah. We need a jumbo. We need a jumbo fish. Oh, I can see him going down. He's going back. I love it. I love it. It was probably only like a 6-7 incher. It's like he's all the way back to the bottom. I've seen him on the fish finder. All the way. Let's go down. See if we catch up to him and catch him again. A little perch. That is awesome. Everything's so cold out here. Hopefully my line doesn't freeze up again. It's like, go down, bud. There we go. To be quite honest with you, that was my first perch ever from Rockport. I know, call me slow and all, but I've never come out here to target shrimp or perch. Oh, there's another one on bottom. It's like, get down there. Yeah, fishy, fishy. Yeah, fishy, fishy, fishy. All right, I gotta get my gloves on. Oh, woo! Yeah! Got another one, buddy! Yeah! I love it. Check this little guy. He's a chubby. He's all bloated. We better keep him. Sorry, bud, but you're coming home with me. We're gonna eat you for dinner. Yeah, look at him. He's bloated. Well, there you have it, guys. Number 2 perch for the day. Yeah! Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Yeah! I gotta get that fish, or my lure back down there. All right. My other lure's not doing so good, so we're gonna go ahead and bring it up and throw something else on. I wanna do another spoon. That seems to be doing the trick. Try that. We'll try a pink one. We'll try it. Why not? Let's try it. Well, it would be that cold if it wasn't windy. This wind really makes it tough. So it's crazy that I haven't seen a fish yet mid-column at all. Everything's been on bottom, so all the perch are right there hugging the bottom. And yeah, I haven't seen any rainbows or anything or up higher. So if I see one, I'll definitely go after it. Yeah, I got another one. Yeah, come on, baby. Stay on there. Let's do it. I love it. Caught this one on the ice flight. Oh, nice one. Yeah. Look at this guy. Beauty. I just barely on this last perch I had, I ended up pulling the eye, using the eye for bait. Looks like it made a difference. I love it. Here we go. I think he's there. Ooh, did he get off? Oh, he got off. Bummer. He got off. I just lost one. Whew. All right, everybody, that's gonna do it for today. I am calling it good. It is getting dark out, so I'm gonna head home. I am so happy with tonight because today was my first time ever catching a perch at Rockport, believe it or not. So I am extremely happy that I came out. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you can follow some more adventures. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.